should you do? Very good. When you see this one, you should be. And I don't like you to talk to your classmates. Okay. Okay. Hello, hello, hello. Wow, I've met some before. Okay. Welcome to the Philippines. Everybody say Philippines. From where are you? Are you from the Philippines? No. From where are you? Taiwan. Okay. Ask me, where am I from? So you ask teacher Teresa, from where are you? Everybody say, from where are you? I am from the Philippines. Everybody say, welcome to the Philippines. Okay, how are you today? What is the Chinese for how are you today? Is it that one? Is it correct? I don't know my Chinese if it's correct. But ni hao ma is how are you, right? Okay, ni hao ma. Now we will learn about, tell me if you are happy, sad, or hungry. Okay, if your answer is yes, you say, yes I am. If your answer is no, you say, no I'm not. Are you happy today? Are you sad today? Are you hungry? Okay, yes, you are. Some people are hungry. Okay, everybody say, let's sing. Do you love to sing? No, we will sing this afternoon. Okay, everybody say, hello, hello. One more time. Hello, hello. Hola, hola. Hola, hola. Moshi, moshi. What country is that? Japan. Very good. Everybody say, moshi, moshi. Kumusta ka? What country is that? Philippines. Very good. Everybody say, kumusta ka? Okay, one more time. In 3, 2, 1. Hello, hello. Hola, hola. Moshi, moshi. Kumusta ka? Hello, hello. Hola, hola. Moshi, moshi. Kumusta ka? This time, the action of the song. Are you ready? Okay, how do you say hello? Do you say hello like this? No? Or do you say hello? No, how do you say hello? Okay, very good. You raise your hand. Everybody say, hello, hello. Hola, hola. Moshi, moshi. Kumusta ka? When you say kumusta ka, you should shake the hand of the person, any person that you know. Your friend, your classmate. Okay? Like that one. Very good. Okay, let's try it one more time. Let's try it. Okay, in 3, 2, 1. Hello, hello. Hola, hola. Moshi, moshi. Kumusta ka? I don't see you shaking hands. You should shake the hand of someone. One more time. In 3, 2, 1, go. Hello, hello. Hola, hola. Moshi, moshi. Kumusta ka? Kumusta ka? In 3, 2, 1, go. Hello, hello, hola, hola, moshi, moshi, kamusta ka? Okay, kamusta ka? How are you? Very good. She is happy. Good job. In 3, 2, 1, go. Hello, hola, hola, moshi, moshi, kamusta ka? How are you today? Happy. Okay, we have a prize because we are happy. Hello, hello, hola, hola, moshi, moshi, kamusta ka? How are you today? Happy too. Okay, show me that you are happy. Smile. Okay. Hello, hello. Hola, hola. Moshi, moshi. Kamusta ka? I am. What? I am happy. I am sad. I am angry. Happy. Very good. Last one. Hello, hello. Hola, hola. Moshi, moshi. Kamusta ka? Hungry. Okay, very good. She is hungry. All right. When I say hello, hello, you say hola, hola, okay? Hello, hello. And then we hear quiet. Let's try it one more time. Hello, hello. Very good. Now let's move to the next. Okay, let's move to. Everybody say, let's go. Let's go. Let's go to. Where do you want to go? Everybody say, Philippines. Let's go to the Philippines. Everybody say, Mabuhay. Mabuhay. Mabuhay means welcome to the Philippines. Everybody say welcome. What is the Chinese for welcome? Is it correct? Please tell me if my Chinese is wrong. Teacher Bailey, is it correct? Okay, thank you. Next one. Very good. Philippines. Okay, welcome. Okay, and that is the Philippines. And these are the fun things to do in the Philippines. Everybody say fun. Fun. Fun means you are having fun, meaning you are happy. Everybody say happy. Now, what do we do in the Philippines? These are just some. Everybody say can. Everybody say can. Yo. Me. Ring. Canyoneering. Canyoneering. Very good. Now we do canyoneering in the Philippines. What is canyoneering? yes, he does. Do you want to go canyoneering? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Okay, yes, he does. Yes, I do. Okay. Now, next one. Next one. Everybody say surfing. 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 What is surfing? Very good. A is correct. Next one. Which one is surfing? Picture A or picture B? A or B? Yes. Picture B, are you sure? Is it yes or no? Good. Picture B is correct. Everybody say animals. Animals. What is the Chinese for animals? Okay, these are the... Now these are the animals from the Philippines. Number one. Everybody say tarsier. Tarsier. Describe